You're welcome in your maths, and I got a new problem. Today we are going to prove how angles are bisected in construction. So let's go. So the first way to draw the angle is by making a angle arc by considering any radius, okay, and then now you can change the radius according to yourself, okay, but keeping that changed radius same made arc like this, two arc like this from these 2 points, okay, like this, okay, and then join this, okay. So these two are same, and now when you draw a line which passes through that point, then you can see from the side criteria these two triangles become congruent, and therefore these two angles are going to be same. So if this is 60, then this is 30, this is 30, then if 20, then this is 10, this is 10, okay, like that it happens. Now the second way to bisect the angle is basically the type of this, okay, that most of us I hope using. So first of all, making arc like this and keeping the same length of that angle's arc radius. Now similarly do the things, okay, and then draw this again. These two becomes congruent from the side criteria, okay. So these two are same. Hopefully you get it. So don't forget to like and subscribe.